Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening settings and going straight to sound or haptics. This is where touch feedback lives. Once done, you may need to tap sounds and vibration, touch feedback, or similar depending on your device. Make sure the phone is unlocked and screen timeout is disabled while you adjust options. You're preparing the exact menu where the toggle hides, so don't skip this. If your phone uses a settings search bar, type Vibrate to jump faster. That saves time. You'll now scan the menu for touch vibration labels. Look for haptic feedback, vibrate on touch, or touch feedback intensity. Once you find it, tap the entry to reveal individual toggles. Turn off the main vibrate on touch switch, and then disable any intensity sliders. Lower intensity to 0 if no explicit off toggle exists. Also check app-specific vibration controls nearby, because some apps override system settings. After changing these, give the screen. You finish by testing taps across the home screen, keyboard, and any app that used to vibrate. Confirm no buzz. If vibration persists, restart the device to clear cache settings. Make sure Do Not Disturb or accessibility options aren't re-enabling haptics. If restarting fails, reset haptic or sound settings to defaults or check for a system update. This often fixes firmware bugs. Troubleshooting tip: if vibration continues, physically disable vibration, motor in settings, or contact support before attempting hardware modification.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.